Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Listen and Learn English. I'm Emma, and we're so happy to have you here with us today. On this channel, we believe that learning English can be easy, interesting, and friendly. You don't need stress, pressure, or long, boring lessons. You just need real English, real life, and a little practice every day.
Hey everyone, this is Tom, and it's great to be here again with Emma and with all of you listening today. Emma, how are you doing today?
I'm doing pretty well, thank you. Today has been one of those normal days, busy, but not too crazy.
So, not a where is my coffee kind of day.
Oh no, it was exactly a where is my coffee kind of day.
Then it's definitely a real day.
What about you, Tom? How has your day been so far?
It's been good. I worked a bit, answered some messages, and tried to stay calm when things got busy.
That sounds very realistic.
Now let's talk to our friends listening today.
How are you doing?
How is your day going right now?
Are you relaxing?
Or are you listening while doing something else, like walking or working?
Well, no matter what you're doing, we're really happy you're spending this time with us.
And before we continue, we want to ask you for a small favor.
If you enjoy learning English with us, please like this video. It really helps our channel grow.
And don't forget to subscribe to Listen and Learn English.
Also, leave a comment below. Your comments help us a lot, and we truly enjoy reading them.
Yes, your comments make our day better.
They really do.
All right, let's begin today's topic.
Today, we're talking about daily life English.
English you can use in real life
English you can listen to.
and learn naturally.
So relax, enjoy the conversation, and learn English with us one step at a time.
Emma, now that we've welcomed everyone, I think this is a good moment to explain something important.
Do you mean why we focus so much on daily life English?
Exactly. Many learners ask, why should I learn English this way?
Yes, some people think English only belongs in textbooks.
Big books, long grammar rules, very serious faces.
Yes, and that can feel scary.
But daily life English is different.
It's real, it's practical, and it's useful every single day.
When you learn English from daily life, you learn how people actually speak.
Not perfect sentences, but natural sentences.
The kind people really use at home, at work, or with friends.
Exactly. Simple phrases like, I'm busy today, I'm tired, or that sounds good.
These are small sentences, but they are very powerful.
Because when you understand and use them, you feel more confident.
And confidence makes you want to learn more.
Yes, confidence is a great teacher.
Daily life English also helps your listening.
You hear common words again and again.
And repetition makes understanding easier.
So instead of memorizing long lists,
You learn English naturally, step by step.
that's why we say listen first, understand slowly, speak when you're ready. Tom, after talking about daily life English, I think this part is very important for our listeners.
You mean listening,
Yes, listening is the foundation of learning English.
just like how we learned our first language.
Exactly. We listened for a long time before we ever spoke.
No grammar books, no exams.
Just listening.
When people listen more, they start to recognize sounds and patterns.
And those patterns make speaking easier later.
Do learners need to understand every word?
No, and that's very important.
Really?
Yes, understanding the general idea is enough.
That takes away a lot of pressure.
Exactly. Pressure blocks learning.
So what should people listen to?
Simple conversations, real English, everyday topics.
Like this conversation.
Yes, exactly like this.
Listening regularly trains your ear.
And the more you listen, the more natural English feels.
So listening is not passive.
It's active learning.
Emma, after talking about listening, this is where English really starts to feel useful.
Yes, simple daily conversations.
Because this is the English people use every day.
Exactly. Not long, perfect sentences, just clear and natural ones.
The kind you use before coffee and after coffee.
Yes, very important English moments.
Daily conversations usually start with simple things.
Like greetings
Hi, how are you? What's going on? How's your day?
and simple answers. I'm good. I'm busy. I'm a little tired.
Very honest answers.
Exactly. These conversations help you feel comfortable
Why are short conversations so important?
because they repeat the same patterns.
So your brain starts to recognize them.
Yes. And when you hear them often, you don't need to think so much.
Your mouth just says it.
Exactly.
Daily conversations also help with confidence.
Yes. When you understand and respond naturally, you feel proud.
And that feeling makes you want to keep learning.
That's the power of daily life English. Tom, after talking about daily conversations, I think this stage is very helpful for busy people.
You mean people who don't have much time?
Exactly. Many learners say, I want to learn English, but I'm too busy.
Yes, life gets busy very quickly.
But learning English doesn't need long study hours.
So English can fit into small moments.
Yes, short moments during the day can become learning time.
Like when?
When you're walking, waiting, cooking, or relaxing.
So even waiting in line counts.
Yes, it does.
What should people do in these small moments?
They can think in English, describe what they see or what they're doing.
I'm waiting. I'm making food.
Perfect examples.
No notebook, no pressure.
Exactly. These small moments train your brain gently.
And small practice every day builds confidence.
Yes, little by little, English becomes natural.
Emma, after talking about small daily moments, I think many listeners are thinking about one thing.
Let me guess. Speaking.
Exactly. Listening feels comfortable, but speaking feels scary for many people.
That's very normal. Speaking makes people feel exposed.
Like English is a spotlight shining on them.
Yes, and suddenly the brain forgets everything
So how can people speak without that pressure?
by changing the goal. The goal is not to speak perfectly,
Then what is the goal?
to communicate simply, to be understood.
Simple English is powerful English.
Exactly. Short sentences are more than enough.
Like saying, I don't understand, or can you repeat that?
Perfect examples. These sentences help you continue the conversation.
And they save you from panic.
Very true.
Where can people practice speaking safely?
They can start alone, talking to themselves while doing daily tasks.
No audience, no stress.
Exactly. Then they can practice with a friend or even write short comments in English.
So speaking grows step by step.
Yes, and with practice, fear becomes confidence. Tom, after talking about speaking without pressure, this stage is all about making English part of everyday life.
You mean turning English into a habit?
Exactly, because progress doesn't come from one big day of study.
It comes from many small days.
Yes, a daily habit keeps English alive in your mind.
Some people think habits must be strict and difficult.
But English habits don't have to be serious.
So no alarms at 5 a.m.?
No, definitely not.
What kind of habit works best?
A habit you enjoy, something simple and realistic.
Like listening to 5 minutes of English?
Perfect. Or watching a short video, or repeating a few useful sentences.
So the goal is consistency, not perfection.
Exactly. Missing one day is okay.
You just continue the next day.
Yes, no guilt, no stress.
English should be your friend, not your boss.
I love that.
When English becomes a daily habit
It feels natural.
and learning becomes easier.
In the final stage, we'll review everything and share a final message to encourage everyone.
Emma, we've reached the final stage of today's conversation.
Yes, and it's a great moment to look back at everything we talked about.
We started with daily life English.
Real English you can hear, understand, and use every day.
We talked about listening first,
Simple conversations.
using small moments during busy days,
Speaking without pressure.
and building a daily habit that feels easy.
All of this shows one important thing.
What's that?
You don't need perfect English to live your life in English.
You just need usable English.
Exactly. English that helps you communicate, not impress.
Because impressing people can wait.
Yes, communication comes first,
Daily life English grows slowly.
but it grows naturally.
And when learning feels natural, it doesn't feel heavy.
That's why listening and learning calmly works so well.
If you're listening right now and thinking, I can do this.
You're right.
If you're thinking, I'll start small.
That's perfect.
One sentence.
One conversation.
One small moment a day.
That's how real progress happens.
Thank you so much for spending this time with us.
If you enjoyed learning daily life English with us,
Please like the video
subscribe to Listen and Learn English.
and leave a comment below.
Tell us, what daily English sentence do you use the most?
Keep listening,
Keep learning.
and we'll see you in the next episode. Bye.
Bye-bye.